Tiger Woods is mourning the loss of his mother, Kultida Woods. The legendary golfer shared the sad news on X, formerly Twitter, on Tuesday. He posted a heartfelt message along with a picture of his mom. "It is with deep sadness that I share the passing of my dear mother, Kultida Woods, early this morning. My mom was a strong and incredible woman. Her spirit was undeniable. She had a sharp sense of humor and a warm laugh. She was my biggest supporter, and without her, none of my achievements would have been possible. She was deeply loved, especially by her 2 grandchildren, Sam and Charlie. Thank you all for your support, prayers, and respecting our privacy during this difficult time. Love you, Mom." Throughout Tiger's career, his mother was always by his side. She was often seen among the crowd, cheering for him as he played. In 2022, when Tiger Woods was inducted into the World Golf Hall of Fame, he shared an emotional moment with his mom. After giving a moving speech about his parents' sacrifices, he hugged her tightly. During his speech, he spoke about the challenges his family faced. At the age of 14, he wanted to compete in the American Junior Golf Association, AJGA, tournaments. These events were important for young golfers because they provided exposure to college coaches and scholarship opportunities. However, his family was unsure if they could afford it. To support his dreams, Tiger's parents made a tough choice. They took out a second mortgage on their home so he could travel and compete. His mother stayed home while his father traveled with him to tournaments. Their sacrifices helped him reach his goals. Tiger credits his parents for his success. His dad instilled in him a strong work ethic and the determination to chase his dreams. His mother's support never wavered. She was there for him every step of the way. This loss is heartbreaking for Tiger Woods and his family. Fans and friends have sent their condolences, honoring Kultida Woods' legacy as a loving mother and dedicated supporter of her son's incredible journey. If you are interested in more updates about Hollywood celebrities and sports icons, make sure to subscribe.